want to tell you about, I mentioned the BOSCH with the power tube. This is the 650 Evo AM3. We'll have this available for demo mid-summer into the fall. This is coming in June. So great with the Performance Line CX, great powerful mountain bike motor, and then the 500 watt-hour BOSCH power tube. Pure-on display, it'll have dropper seat post and lockout Shimano XT, RockShox Yari. Great setup, a really fun bike to ride, so we'll have that available for demo. We won't have this available for demo for a little while, maybe mid-fall into next season, but this is our new E-Core Evo and EN DI2, our Enduro 180 millimeter travel. Really excited to get people on this one on the trails, but just to give you a little preview of what's coming for future events, we'll have this available there. So our new eStream Evo series, this is the eStream Evo AM4 with Broza. So this is the new Broza Drive S, and this will be available for demo again midsummer into the fall. And this is, you can see this one got a little love today, but yeah, great well-spec'd bike, RockShox Yari, Lyric and Shimano XT. Huge 203 millimeter hydraulic disc brakes from Magura, and dropper seat post again. For purposes, we don't have it here, but we'll also have the Monkey Link. You'll get a chance to see what the Monkey Link technology is all about. Integrated light system for your night rides or for doubling your e-mountain bike as your commuter. Really great. And this one also, you get a chance to try our new Marquardt display. Great bright display that shows you not only your speed and battery level, but shows you, gives you light control, Bluetooth capabilities, total distance, and all that stuff, and also how much power you're putting into it as the rider. So for your friends riding next to you saying you're cheating, you can show them you're putting in just as much work as they are, or maybe not.